Welcome back to my channel. So today I just felt in the mood to share with you an upcycle that I did on this wall decor. If you are interested, please stay with me. So I have this space right above my pantry where I used to have this piece that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond, I think a very long time ago. I just wanted to freshen up this and make it a little bit lighter. So I am going to be freshening this up with some chalk paint. The first thing that I had to do was gather my supplies. So basically I just went to Hobby Lobby and I got some very inexpensive chalk paint there. I also just picked up 2 brushes that were super inexpensive. And then I decided that I needed to make sure to clean it, got some Clorox wipes, made sure to wipe it down with a towel, and I was ready to begin. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I have so much fun when I'm able to have time to do these things in my home. So thank you for following me along this journey. Please like this video and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you so very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.